Spend handlers contain an extra argument, the optional datum, which may be set with the output when an asset gets initially locked. Because there is no way to enforce that the datum is present,
Yep.
you cannot prevent anyone from sending locking assets
Look at that.
to
That's
slash
exactly
in
what
your
we're talking
validator.
about.
Yep, that's exactly. And we discovered that, right? Like we came to that conclusion, which is cool.
Okay. It always produces an option. So they're basically directly saying, hey, it always produces an option, which is like datum. But is the
And why?
answer? And
And
why?
why?
Where is why?
Because you can't prevent anybody from sending. You can't say a datum has to be there because there is no, like, the only way a datum gets there is from the transaction. When you craft a transaction and you send a UTXO somewhere, that's when you would put datum on it. And so this validator
Oh,
can accept UTXOs that look like anything because it can't enforce it. So the reason that datum is
ah,
optional is because it may be there or it may not be there, and there is no way to enforce it, which is pretty cool because we just came full circle.
ah.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense, makes sense. So
And
because we cannot stop people from sending UTXOs with datum or no datum, we
yes,
have to make datum as an optional thing.
when we're spending it, because when we're spending it, we don't know if it's there or not. Yeah. So see how they call it datum opt
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
in the actual validator, like
Oh,
spend
oh, right here. Yeah,
datum
yeah,
opt,
yeah.
right? Because like they're saying it's optional.